So I'm going to show you how to set up Google Assistant on your OnePlus 15. So go to settings, under settings, scroll down to Google, tap on that, and that's going to load up the Google services. Select all services, and then under that, scroll down and find your Google Assistant. So you should see search assistant and voice. Tap on that, and that opens your that page where you can tap on Google Assistant. So under Google Assistant, one of the things you need to set up is, first of all, your voice. So tap on that and then make sure your voice is this Hey Google is enabled. Now, if it's the first time, it might take you through this process where you need to set it up. So read that and then tap on I agree. And then you'll need to teach Google to recognize your voice. So go ahead and tap more and agree. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And once you train Google to recognize your voice, it's going to tell you it's ready. Tap on next. And then you can choose whether you want your audio requests to be saved or not. So I'm going to choose not now. And now Hey Google is enabled. Okay. So that means you've set up Hey Google successfully. You can now go back. Actually, it's already detecting my voice. So now I want to go back and look at Gemini. Okay. So if you go to Gemini, you can see the different settings for Gemini, because when you bring up Google Assistant, it's going to use Gemini. Now, the other thing you can do is go to settings. Let's just go back to the main settings page and make sure the Google Assistant button is also set up. So let's go all the way to accessibility and convenience. Tap on that and then go to the power button. Tap on that and make sure your digital assistant is set to Google. Okay. So now you can either use the Google Assistant by long pressing on the side button to bring up Google Assistant or Gemini. And then you can also just use the buzzword. Hey Google, what's the weather like today at noon?
In Olkari, the forecast is 24 degrees with light rain.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.